Hello, my name is Michael Leizerman. I'm here with the Trial Guides tip of the day this Thursday, March 3rd, 2022. Today's tip comes from Edward Capozzi's The Domino Theory, second edition. Avoid displaying small amounts throughout your case, lest you give the jury any reason to award your client an equivalent amount for economic damages. I often choose not to seek economic damages in the thousands or even tens of thousands of dollars for that very reason. Definitely worth considering. I very rarely introduce economic damages into my case, and that's been as high as I believe I've had a case with six, $700,000 in economics. But actually, I can think of some over 1 million if you include wage loss. Why would I do that? Not include the economics? Well, it's certainly not a blanket rule, especially if you're in a state where there's caps on non-economics or there's certain rules that economic damages trigger multiples for punitive damages or something like that. I am always worried about the same thing that we hear about here, that low numbers can anchor the overall verdict. Now, I also know of verdicts over $100 million where someone asked for a funeral bill of a couple $1,000s. So these rules are not hard and fast. Human behavior and reaction is not so predictable. And still, it's something worth considering that if you're asking a jury to return a verdict of $20 million and then you talk about a $9,000 funeral bill, that anchors a lower number. We know the way that the human brain works. We know from cognitive neuroscience that if people are exposed to low numbers or to high numbers, even if it has nothing to do with the direct value of the case, that influences their ultimate verdict. So something to consider. Let's take a moment this Thursday to take a deep breath together and be grateful to be alive today. May we use our powers as lawyers today to help do justice, right? To help receive just results, to fiercely and compassionately champion the causes of our clients. May it be so. I'm going to ring a bell 3 times now. This can take you into a daily meditation practice, or it can just remind you to go out into the world and do good things today.